atstumas man yra reiškia, kad aš...
Okay, let's try go forward. Backwards. Now reverse mode. Let's see how radio looks in the dark. This is two-color radio. Let's try to switch the color. Both backlights are perfect. Now I'm going to show you how to activate the Bluetooth. Simply press the band button until you reach the middle waves or long waves. Here is middle waves, that means Bluetooth is on radio. Let's go to our cell phone, turn on the Bluetooth, just a few seconds. Here it is.
The Bluetooth device is connected successfully.
Now it's connected. All you have to do, just go to any music you have on your phone and just play it. How cool is that, huh? Let's try another song. And when you want to back to your regular radio, simply press the band button again until you back to FM mode. So once, twice. That's it. Very simple to use. Thumbs up, guys.